A volatile day of trade is what we witnessed in today's session. However, we've seen Nifty as well as Sensex advance for a fourth consecutive session in a row from a closing perspective. We've almost ended at a 5-month high, and you have Sensex, which has inched closer to the 63,000 levels yet again. From a Nifty perspective, 18,600 is what we've managed to achieve as well. There has been clear outperformance coming in from Bank Nifty in today's session vis-a-vis the benchmark indices. And from a sectoral perspective, it was FMCG that was leading the gains, whereas a lot of pressure that was built in by the metal counters as well. Broader markets, if you see the mid-cap as well as the small-cap index, both of them ended with marginal gains, and the breadth, however, was pretty much in favor of the bears. So there is some bit of sluggishness that is coming in, but it's interesting to see because Nifty is just 1.5% away from its all-time high of around 18,887.6 that it hit in December 2022. And if you see the last 3 months performance as well, Nifty has rallied almost 7%, whereas you have the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 as well as the Bank Nifty that have already hit a life high so far. In fact, if you see the Mid-Cap Index, it's risen by almost 10% in the last 3 months. So that clearly tells you the kind of outperformance that we are seeing from the broader markets. And it's the FI inflows that have been steady in the month of May that is helping the markets. Let's quickly look at the top gainers. ITC, the stock was trading ex-dividend as well as there are news reports indicating that there is the demerger talks are back with regards to the hotel business. So any few further updates will be crucial. HDFC Life, Bajaj Twins as well as Kotak Mahindra Bank were the other top gainers, whereas Hindalco, Adani Enterprises, Tech Mahindra, Tata Steel as well as Aisha Motors were the top losers. On the newsmakers end, you had a Marksans Pharma. The stock jumped the most in the last 21 months on the back of a good set of numbers that were reported. Hiral was up in trade as well on the back of Q4 numbers. Balakrishna Industries was under pressure on the back of brokerage downgrades. Campus Activewear, Specialty Restaurants, both of these trading under pressure on the back of a weak set of numbers. IGSec Heavy Engineering also saw a good day of trade on the back of earnings. And you had a Vedanta that declined the most in 7 weeks, as this is because the unit is encumbered shares for almost $250 million loan from Glencore. So these have been the newsmakers in trade today, but clearly there is volatility in the market. The underlying tone is positive as per what analysts are indicating, but you could see some bit of dips that could be coming in at higher levels on the back of the markets being in an oversold zone. However, analysts are saying that buy on dips should be the strategy that should be adopted.